Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. Our show continues today from Andale. We are talking all about Wichita Home Works and a bedroom and then a bathroom remodel with Nate, the president. Thanks so much for being with us today, Nate.
You bet.
So you guys are knees deep in this, I guess. You guys are looking good so far. Tell us a little bit about what's going on here.
Yeah. So we have a master bedroom here, master suite. We're one of the biggest parts of this project is the remodel of the master bathroom. So behind us we have a custom tile shower, and we actually did a zero entry on that shower, and so that allows someone in a wheelchair or just that has trouble walking, that sort of thing. It's easily accessible for them. It still slopes to the drain, so it keeps all the water in there. Sometimes we see people put a curtain in there so that way it's not in the way, but yet it keeps just a little bit of the splatter out. And then we've widened this doorway here. We're going to put a sliding barn door on it, so that way that stays all the way out of the way. So we actually see this quite often, someone looking to take in a family member or parents, grandparents, that sort of thing that are aging. Just want something that is a little easier for them to use. Yeah,
that's a great point, because I know there's so many of our viewers probably that have those parents, maybe grandparents, that are getting to that age that you want to be able to accommodate them, but you also want them to be close to you and in your house as well.
Yeah, exactly. It makes it super easy for the family, and it's still a really nice space, spa-like feel. This one's going to turn out great. We've got the tile floor in as well, easy to maintain, keep up with. We got a lot of extra blocking in the wall, so that way we can add grab bars where we need to, so it makes it really easy for them to move around in here, and potentially keep their independence for longer in life, which is always nice.
Yeah, that's awesome. Talk about what you guys are doing here in the bedroom.
Yeah, so pretty easy on the bedroom, just kind of a little facelift. We're going to be replacing the carpet with some LVP flooring. That allows it, the homeowner to move around in a wheelchair or something like that a lot easier. We're also painting the walls, going to paint the trim. So nice little facelift in here, nothing too crazy, but the real show piece is the
right back there. So, yeah, definitely. Well, tell us how our viewers can get a hold of you and get their project started with you.
Yeah, so they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
Awesome. Great segment today. This was so informative.
Thanks for coming out.
Appreciate it. We have more on Good Day Kansas coming up next.